What's good, everybody? It's your boy Kirk Ray Smith. Y'all know what it is. So I was having a conversation with my youngest son, who happens to be turning 28 this month, actually. But we were talking about life and just you go through these changes, and what I share with him is that over your lifetime you're only gonna have so many defining moments. Moments in which there's a major change that takes place in your life, and it's going to happen to all of us, right? Spend enough time on the planet, you're going to go through periods in your life where you're going to make these significant changes, and maybe three, four, five times. It could be one or two, three, four different careers, whatever it is. Changes are going to happen, and when you make changes and prayerfully they're improvements, right? You're becoming better, and when you start making these changes, whether you make that decision on your own or life sort of puts you in a situation where you have to change or forces you to change. But whatever the case, change is coming and it's going to happen. And when that takes place, then there's relationships that's either going to have to be done away with altogether or renegotiated. You're going to have to either cut people off, walk away from them completely, or renegotiate the terms of the relationship. And here's why. Because they're used to you being a certain way. They're used to seeing you in a certain capacity. Their expectations are consistent with how you used to be and inconsistent with how you are now. And so you got to renegotiate those terms. You got to, they're not going to be able to take advantage of you like they once did. You're not going to be as accessible as you once were, or at least as accessible in certain capacities. The reality is that when you make changes in order to sustain that change and to continue to build on that change again, that improvement, to evolve and to progress, you got to renegotiate relationships, if not cut them off altogether. And that goes for family members, associates, close friends, whomever. You have to go in and have a conversation about here's what it's going to look like moving forward. And if not, then it's either, it's either, comply or fly, and it's either, I don't know, capitulate or evacuate. The bottom line is that when you make changes, either relationships have to end or be renegotiated altogether. One.